In the world of e-commerce, having the right tools can make all the difference. That's where Wcart's API integrations come into play. Let's dive into why API-powered e-commerce is not just a trend, but a necessity for modern businesses. First, let's clarify what an API is. An application programming interface, or API, is essentially a set of rules that allows different software applications to communicate with each other. Think of it as a bridge that connects your online store to various services, enabling seamless data exchange. This connectivity is crucial for managing everything from inventory to payments. Now, let's explore some real-world use cases. Imagine you're running an online store and you need to keep track of your inventory in real time. With Wcart's API, you can integrate your inventory management system directly with your e-commerce platform. This means that whenever a product is sold, your inventory updates automatically, reducing the risk of overselling and ensuring your customers always see accurate stock levels. Shipping is another area where Wcart shines. By integrating shipping APIs, you can automate label printing, track shipments, and provide customers with real-time updates on their orders. This not only enhances the customer experience, but also streamlines your operations, allowing you to focus on growing your business instead of getting bogged down in logistics. Payments are, of course, a critical component of any e-commerce operation. Wcart's API integrations allow you to connect with various payment gateways, making transactions smoother and more secure. You can offer your customers multiple payment options, which can lead to higher conversion rates. Plus, with built-in fraud detection features, you can protect your business and your customers. But it doesn't stop there. Wcart's API capabilities extend to data-driven insights as well. By leveraging analytics, you can create custom dashboards that provide you with a comprehensive view of your business performance. Want to know which products are your best sellers or how seasonal trends affect your sales? With predictive analytics, you can anticipate customer behavior and adjust your strategies accordingly. Let's talk about success stories. Many users have transformed their businesses by utilizing Wcart's API integrations. One retailer saw a 30% increase in sales after automating their inventory and shipping processes. Another user reported that integrating payment solutions reduced cart abandonment rates significantly. These are not just numbers, they represent real growth and success driven by the power of APIs. So, how do you get started? It's simple. Wcart offers a free trial that allows you to explore all these features without any commitment. You can test out the integrations, see how they fit into your existing systems, and experience firsthand the benefits they bring to your e-commerce operations. In a rapidly evolving digital landscape, embracing API-powered e-commerce is essential. It's about efficiency, accuracy, and ultimately, growth. Don't miss out on the opportunity to elevate your business. Start your free trial today and unlock the full potential of your e-commerce platform with Wcart's API integrations.